Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to use Meta AI on Messenger. So we have our Messenger app here, we're going to open it. And then at first glance, you can see Meta AI in three options. So we're going to show you the different options. One way to do it is by opening any chat. And in this chat here, in the message input area, you can tap on it and you could type at Meta AI. And then you have the suggestion here. You could click on it. And here you have Meta AI ready to answer your questions. So we're going to ask it a question. And as you can see, we have the answer here. So in this chat room, we can chat with Meta AI right here in the chat area. Of course, we asked it a question and then it's answering the question for us, giving some details. And the other option for using Meta AI on Messenger, if you look at the bottom of your screen here, you can see chats, you can see a Meta AI and highlights. So if you click on Meta AI, here you could also ask any other question. And as you can see, the answers are coming. So you could also chat with Meta AI this way. And lastly, the other option which you may have at first glance is to click at the top here where you have Meta AI, Ask Meta AI, or Search. So we could also do the same here. And as you can see, it took us back to the chat area as the previous place, which of course is yet another way we could use our Meta AI. Of course, these are easy questions, but we're just showing you an example of how to use it. So this is how to use Meta AI on Messenger.